Now we've had the primary in, this pushed in. I just showed you how to use with this installer, how to get this in. So your primary is all together. This is your front primary nut. The only way that I found, because the original tools aren't available to do this, but I have found a way to do this. This is your lock tab, goes in that hole. Washer goes down over, then you'll finish pushing it all the way on. Now what you'll do with this, you have to make sure that the whole part is towards the chain, and you can't get it to drop down in because that tab's too big. And then you'll run this nut on here. It's just conventional thread. And this I found, it's a crow's foot, don't care whose you use. It is 1 3/16 inches. And I know this is, but I do not have a socket deep enough in Wentworth to do this, but this absolutely fits the nut perfectly. And then you can tighten it up from there. And I just use, once again, one of my punches. Use a breaker bar. And basically, pretty snug. I don't know what the torque spec is. I've not found any information on this, but they don't come off real hard, so I'm assuming they're not super, super tight. So I snug them up. Until it goes tight, and then the flats line up with my locks. I know this is crude, but this is the only way I've managed to pull this off yet. So I tried everything and I got my toolbox. And this is by far works the best. You'll feel it goes, when everything goes together and locks up tight, you'll feel it. About right there. Bit more. And if I'm taking a guess, it's 50, 60 foot-pounds. If you want to use torque wrench. I usually use torque wrench on everything, but this is one of them cases that I've not found a better way to do it than this, so this is how I say to do it. There you go.